Sri Gurupyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board chapter 3 exercise 3.13. Determine the nature of the roots. Before we enter into the nature of the roots, you should know the discriminant value. What is discriminant? It is mentioned as delta. Okay, the discriminant is mentioned as delta. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4 depend upon the b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant value, the nature of the roots you will find out. See here, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. It's greater than 0. The roots are, what is the nature of the roots? The roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Next, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. The nature of the roots. The roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Next, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac less than 0, that is negative value. Less than 0. There is no root. There is no root or the roots are imaginary. There is no root or the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary or there is no root. The roots are imaginary. So, this is the sum, means we can take it as the a value, b value and c value. This is a value and this is b value and this is c value. See, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 is the roots are real and unequal. b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means the roots are, there are no real roots or the roots are imaginary. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 means the roots are real and equal. If it is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. It is less than 0 means there is no real root, the roots are imaginary. Now we move on to the sum. See the first sum. 15x square plus 11x plus 2 equal to 0. A equal to 15, b equal to 11, c equal to 2. Or you can use it as a small abc also, no problem. See here, what is b square minus 4ac? What is the value of b square minus 4ac? b square 11 square minus 4 into 15 into 2 minus 4 into 15 into 2. So, it gives 121 minus 15 fours are 121 minus 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60. 60 into 2 120. 60 into 2 120. So, what is the value you are getting? 1. If it is a positive value, it is greater than 0. Negative value, it is a less than 0. It is greater than 0. So, the given equation as real and unequal roots. The real and unequal roots. The given equation as real and unequal roots. The given equation as real and unequal roots. See the next one. X square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. What is the value of a? A equal to 1. B equal to minus 1. C equal to 1. A equal to 1. B. You can take the coefficient ax square. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, or you can use it as a capital ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. See, b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 1 into 1 minus 4ac. It gives 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3 less than 0. Negative means less than 0. The roots will have the given, the equation will have no real roots. No real roots or imaginary roots. No real roots or imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. No real roots or imaginary roots. See, b square minus 4ac. A value equal to 1, b value equal to minus 1, c value equal to 1, b square minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. 1 minus 4, the value is minus 3. If it is negative means less than 0, positive means greater than 0. So the equation will have no real roots or imaginary roots. Okay. See, third subdivision, root 2 t square minus 3t plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. A equal to root 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 3 root 2, c equal to 3 root 2. So, b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac minus 3 the whole square, minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a value is root 2 and c value is 3 root 2. C value is 3 root 2. B square value, b equal to minus 3. So, minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a value is root 2 and c value is 3 root 2. So, it gives 9 minus, see, 9 minus 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 into root 2 into root 2. 12 into root 2 into root 2, 2. So, it gives 9 minus 24. What is the value of 9 minus 24? Minus 15. Minus 15 is less than 0. It has no real roots. It has no real roots or the roots are imaginary or the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. It has no real roots or the roots are imaginary. Is it clear? See the fourth subdivision. See the same thing. A equal to 9, b equal to minus 6 root 2 and c equal to 2. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac equal to b square minus 6 root 2 the whole square minus 4 into 9 into 2. 4 into 9 into 2, it gives 36 into 2, 72. 6 6 are 36. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So, 36 into 2, 72 minus 9 4s are 36. 36 2s are 72. So, what is the value for this? 0. So, b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means it has real and equal roots. 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 See the fifth subdivision. 9a square b square x square minus 24 abc dx. Coefficient of x is minus 24 abcd plus 16 c square d square equal to 0. A not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0. See here, A value equal to 9A square B square, because coefficient of x square. B equal to minus 24ABCD, because coefficient of x constant. C equal to 16C square D square, 16C square D square. B square minus 4AC equal to, B square minus 4AC equal to minus 24ABCD the whole square minus 4 into what is the value of A? 9A square B square into C value is 16C square D square. 16C square D square. 24 square is 576. 576 A square B square C square D square. Squaring means A square B square C square D square minus 16 4 sir, 64, 64 9 sir, 6 A square B square C square D square. Okay, both are cancelled, the value is equal to 0. If B square minus 4AC equal to 0, it has real and equal roots. We'll write it as real and equal roots. It has real and equal roots. See, find the values of k for which the roots following equations are real and equal. They have given us the equation are real and equal. Here real and equal, that is real and equal means B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. What is the value of A? A equal to 5k minus 6. B equal to 2k. C equal to 1. So 2k the whole square, B square, 2k the whole square minus 4 into what is the value of A? 5k minus 6 into 1 equal to 0. So 4k square minus 4 into 1 4. So you can multiply this number here. 4 5s are 20k. Minus into plus minus 20k. Minus into minus plus 24 equal to 0. Is it clear? Minus 4 into 5 minus 20k. Minus into minus plus 20 equal to 0. You divided by 4. What is the value we are getting? Divided by 4. What is the value we are getting? K square minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0. Draw out divided by 4. K square minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0. See, what is the sum here? Sum equal to minus 5. What is the product here? Product equal to 6. 6. Possible values you can write. You can factorize the value. Possible values you will write. 3 2s are 6. Minus 3 minus 2 it gives minus 5. Minus 3 into minus 2 equal to 6. So what is the value? K minus 3 into k minus 2 equal to 0. K minus 3 into k minus 2 equal to 0. So k minus 3 equal to 0. What is the value of k? K equal to 3. K minus 2 equal to 0. What is the value of k? K equal to 2. So k can take the value 3 and 2. See the second subdivision, the same thing, the given roots are real and equal. So what is the value for this? B square minus 4AC equal to 0. The given equation are real and equal. The given equation is real and The given equation is real and equal. What is the condition for real and equal? Real and equal means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So what is the value of a? A equal to k, b equal to 6k plus 2, c equal to 16. Okay, b square 6k plus 2 the whole square, b square 6k plus 2 the whole square minus 4 into k into 16 equal to 0. Okay, a plus b the whole square formula. What is a plus b the whole square formula? A square plus 2ab. 2ab, 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24 plus 24k plus 4. A plus b the whole square. 36k square, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24k plus 4 minus 16 4s are 64, 64 minus 64k equal to 0, minus 64k equal to 0. So 36k square, 24k minus 64k, what is the answer? Minus 40k plus 4 equal to 0, divided by 4. What is the value we are getting? Divided by 4. What is the value we are getting? 9k square minus 10k. 9k square minus 10k plus 1 equal to 0. Sum equal to minus 10. Product equal to 9. Sum equal to minus 10, product equal to 9. See, 9. 9 ones are 9. Minus 9 minus 1 gives minus 10. Minus 9 minus 1 gives minus 10. You see the sign and write. The same way minus 9 into minus 1 equal to plus 9. Coefficient is there. So divide that coefficient by 9 by 9. So what is the value for this? See here, k minus 1 into k minus 1 by 9 equal to 0. K minus 1 equal to 0, k equal to 1. K minus 1 by 9 equal to 0. K equal to 1 by 9. So what is the value of k? K equal to 1 comma 1 by 9. See, third sum. If the roots of a minus b x square, b minus c into x plus c minus a equal to 0 are real and equal, then prove that b, a, c are in AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Okay, b equal to a plus c by 2, arithmetic progression. See the given sum, a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a equal to 0. They have given the equation, it has real and equal, real and equal roots, real and equal roots, real and equal roots. So what is that real and equal roots? What is the nature of the roots? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is the value of b? A here. A equal to a minus b. And b equal to b minus c. C equal to c minus a. C equal to c minus a. Substitute the value. B square. B minus c the whole square minus 4 into a minus b into c minus a equal to 0. Okay. See, you apply the formula a minus b the whole square formula. See here, b square minus 2bc plus c square. A minus b the whole square formula, b square minus 2bc plus c square minus 4 into, you multiply AC, A into minus A minus A square, minus BC plus AB equal to 0, plus AB equal to 0. See here, B square minus 2BC plus C square minus 4, you multiply inside minus 4, minus 4AC plus 4A square plus 4A square plus 4BC minus 4AB equal to 0. See, minus 4AC plus 4A square plus 4BC minus 4AB equal to 0. So, you write it in your order. See here, 4A square plus B square plus C square, 4A square plus B square plus C square, C minus 4AC minus 4AC, 4BC minus 2BC plus 2BC plus 2BC minus 4AB equal to 0. See, 2A minus B minus C the whole square equal to 0. See here, what is A plus B plus C the whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. See, 4A square plus B square plus C square. 2AB, 2A into minus B, that is minus 2AB into 2 minus 4AB, minus 4AB, minus into minus plus 2BC, 2BC, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus 2AC into 2 minus 4AC. Again I repeat the formula, A square, A plus B plus C the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. See here, 2A means 4A square, minus B the whole square means plus B square, minus C the whole square means plus C square. Then you multiply these two and multiply by 2. See, plus into minus, minus 2AB into 2. So, minus 4AB, it is there, okay. See, minus into minus, again the next two terms. Minus into minus, plus. B into C, BC, multiply by 2 because 2BC, 2BC. Then last and first term, minus into plus, minus. 2A into C, 2AC, multiply by 2, minus 4AC. So, 2A minus B minus C the whole square equal to 0. Taking square root on both the sides, what is the answer you are getting? 2A minus B minus C equal to 0. Therefore, 2A equal to B plus C. You can bring it to this side. It become positive. Minus B it become positive and minus C also. A equal to B plus C by 2. A equal to B plus C by 2. Therefore, see, therefore, B comma A comma C are in AP, are in arithmetic progression AP, because A equal to B plus C by 2 is the formula for the arithmetic progression. See the fourth sum. If A comma B are real, show that the roots of the equation are real and unequal. Real and unequal. See the given equation you will write A minus B the whole square x square minus 6 into A plus B into x minus 9 into A minus B equal to 0. You can take down the values of A, B, C. A equal to A minus B, B equal to minus 6 into A plus B, and C equal to minus 9 into A minus B. So b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac equal to, b square minus 4ac equal to minus 6 into a plus b the whole square. Minus 6 into b square means minus 6 into a plus b the whole square, minus 4 into AC. A value is a minus b and c value is minus 9 into a minus b, minus 9 into a minus b. See here, see 36 a plus b the whole square. B square is 36 a plus b the whole square, minus 4 into minus 9 plus 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. Then a minus b the whole square. See, b square is minus 6 a plus b the whole square minus 4ac. A value is a minus b and b value is minus 9 into a minus b. So, see here 36 a plus b the whole square and minus 4 into 9 plus 36 a minus b the whole square. 36 you can take it as commonly out. 36 you can take it as commonly out. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. So, you apply the formula 36 into a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 2ab get cancelled. So, see the result. It gives 36 into a square plus a square is what? 2a square plus 2b square. B square plus b square is 2b square. See here, it gives 36 into 2, you can take it out commonly. What is the remaining thing? A square plus b square. It gives 72 into a square plus b square. 72 is a positive value, so it is greater than 0. 72 is a positive value, so it is greater than 0. So, the given equation has real and unequal roots. It has real and unequal roots. It has real and unequal roots because 72 is a positive value. So, it is greater than 0. It has real and unequal roots. See the fifth sum. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 are real and equal, either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. See, c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc into x plus b square minus ac equal to 0. It has real and equal roots. It has real and it is given, it has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. It has real and equal roots means b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is the value of a? A equal to c square minus ab. A equal to c square minus ab. What is the value of b? B equal to, you can take the coefficient minus 2 into a square minus bc. What is the value of c? C equal to b square minus ac. B square minus 2 into a square minus bc the whole square b square minus 4 into a. A is c square minus ab. C is b square minus ac equal to 0. b square minus 4ac. See, 4 into minus also it become plus because it is square. A minus b the whole square formula. What is a minus b the whole square formula? If you want, you can write like this: a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 into multiply b square c square. Then you multiply c square minus ac cube next minus ab cube minus into minus become plus a square bc equal to 0. a square bc equal to 0. See, 4 into a minus b the whole square. A square the whole square is nothing but what? A power 4 minus 2abc plus b square a square, that is a square the whole square is a power 4 minus 2abc plus b square. Then you multiply minus 4b square c square plus 4ac cube plus 4ab cube minus into plus 4ab cube minus 4a square bc equal to 0. Okay, see here, you multiply 4 inside, 4a power 4 minus 8a square bc plus 4b square c square minus 4b square c square plus 4ac cube plus 4ab cube minus 4a square bc equal to 0 plus 4b square c square minus 4b square c square get cancel. 4a power 4 8a square bc minus 4a square bc minus 8a square bc minus 4a square bc minus 12a square bc remaining 4ac cube plus 4ab cube equal to 0. Throughout divided by 4. What is the answer? Divided by 4, what is the answer you are getting? See here, a power 4 minus 4 3s are 12, a square bc plus a c cube plus a b cube equal to 0. See here, a you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? A cube minus 3abc plus c cube plus b cube equal to 0. See, a cube, a into a cube minus 3abc plus c cube plus b cube equal to 0. So, it means a equal to 0, a cube minus 3abc plus c cube plus b cube equal to 0. So, a equal to 0 or write it in a proper way, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to, you bring it to the next side, what is the value? It gives 3a, bc, hence the proof.